If you're trying to start YouTube right now, then you're probably thinking of one question: should I stay faceless or show my face? Well, I have done both, and in this video, I'm going to be revealing it to you, the honest truth. Not what sounds motivational, but what actually works. Because choosing the wrong path can slow you down for months. Yes, the fact is that most videos on this topic are biased. Faceless creators will tell you to stay hidden, and then personal brand creators will also tell you to show your face immediately. The truth, they both work, but for different types of people at different stages. Right in this video, we are going to break them down clearly. Hey fam, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're new here, I make videos about AI tools, side hustles, and online businesses, especially for Nigerians who want real results. So hit the subscribe button and also like this video, because what I'm about to share could be the turning point in your journey. So let's start from why most people start a faceless channel in the first place. Most beginners start faceless for one simple reason, which is fear. Fear of judgment. What will people say about me? What do they have to say about this video? Another one is fear of looking awkward. How do I look? Will people appreciate my look? Am I looking beautiful? And then another one is fear of not having enough confidence. But I must tell you, there are strategic reasons to start faceless. Faceless YouTube is great if 1. You want to learn video editing first. 2. You're camera shy. Some people find it very difficult to sit before the camera and record themselves. So if you're in the category of this kind of people, starting faceless could be a better option for you. And then if you want speed and volume, AI speeds up everything that you do, because the video, the scripting, everything is done with AI, so it aids speed and volume. And then the last one, when you're testing niches, so it is a better option. When I started, faceless helped me in removing pressure, so I could focus on learning the skill of content, not the pressure of appearance. And with that, I was able to stay consistent. Now, let me reveal to you some of the advantages of faceless channel. Honestly, faceless channels has real advantages. And 1, faster to start, because you do not need lightning setup, no camera anxiety, no overthinking appearance. AI will do everything from scripting to video. There's no need for you to set up a camera, no need to show your face. And then 2, it's easier to scale. Why? You can outsource editing, you can create your content in batches, you can also run multiple channels. Why? Because you're not showing your face, nobody knows who is behind the camera, and as such, you can have multiple channels. Number 3 is lower emotional pressure. Yes, you can experiment without feeling exposed. Why? Nobody knows who is posting, nobody is seeing your face. And that's the reason why most beginners start from here. And I must tell you, it is not a bad decision at all. Yes, as a beginner, you can start with a faceless channel. But here's what nobody is telling you. Faceless channels has some limitations. You can build views with faceless channels. You can also be monetized with faceless channels. But the fact is that you cannot build trust with faceless channels. Nobody will trust you because your face is not being shown. Nobody is seeing your face. Nobody trusts the person they don't know. So you cannot always build trust with faceless channels. And trust is what builds loyal audience, community, sales, and opportunities. Now, when people see you, they can connect faster, meaning that they now know you, they can trust you, they can also remember you. This doesn't mean that faceless channels doesn't work. It just means that it has limitations. So at some point, if you want to build a personal brand, you want people to know you, you want to connect with people, you want to be trusted, you will likely need to step forward by showing your face. Let's consider when to show your face. You don't need to show your face immediately, but consider showing your face when you want to build authority. Yes, if you want to be seen as an authority in your niche, then you should consider showing your face. If you want to sell services or products, I may likely not buy from you if I don't know you. So consider showing your face when you have a product or service to sell. You should also consider showing your face when you want a long-term brand growth. You want a deeper trust. You should also consider showing your face. Now, showing your face will help you to build trust. It will help you to build recognition. It will also help you to build connection. People don't just follow information, but rather they follow the people they can trust. If at this point you have not liked this video and you have not subscribed, it means one thing, that this video does not make any sense to you. But if you have learned anything at all from this video, then do well to subscribe and also like this video. This will only tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is worth suggesting to more people. Thank you. Here is what I recommend for beginners. Start faceless, learn content, build consistency, then gradually transition into on camera. This gives you skill first, confidence later, and authority over time. You don't need confidence to start. Confidence comes from repetition. So if you're waiting to be confident enough before you start, then you may never start, because confidence, it's mostly going to come from repetition. If you're waiting to feel ready to show your face, then you might wait forever. Start where you are. Start with whatever you have, build skill, then step forward when it makes sense. There is no perfect timeline, only progress. If you want more honest videos like this, then subscribe. No hype, just clear guidance. And in the description, I'll share the tools and resources that I sincerely recommend for beginners that are starting YouTube the smart way. Whether you stay faceless or you go on camera, just don't stay stuck. I get messages from people who want structured guidance. Now, if I ever recommend any tool or resources, it will be tools that I genuinely believe will help beginners. So check the description if you want any of these tools. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.